Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to watch like the football on the Hisense TV. So make sure to follow the step-by-step process, and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. Do not miss any step and watch the video till the end. And here is the complete process. You just need to download the DAZN on your Hisense smart TV, and after that you can just watch the football or any other support like sports that you want to watch. So here's the complete process, like download and install. There's an app from the App Store. Open the App Store, make sure your device is connected to the internet, search and install the AZN application. And once you search and install it, based on the model of TV, the steps access doesn't may slightly vary. So this is the basic step. Just open the App Store or Play Store, and from there just download the DAZN application. And once you download it, just sign up for the smart TV, or you can just log in. You already have an account on the DAZN app, so just make sure to complete the like login process or sign up process. And once you complete that, if you already signed into Dozen, you can just sign into Dozen on your Hisense smart TV as well with the same credentials. And once you do that, after that, you will be able to play all the sports, either it is football or any other supports, as these are like this channel, like the Dozen. It is basically made for especially the like sports, all sports, including football or any other sports which are live or non-live. And after that you will be able to watch the football on your Hisense smart TV. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can watch football on your Hisense smart TV.